Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Rohit Dinesh Karat, standing here to lead today's morning assembly, performed by Valmiki House. First of all, I would like to call Amin Jamadar to tell today's vocabulary of the day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Amin Hussain Jamadar. Today I am going to tell you idiom. Today's idiom word is by heart. It's mean to learn. Sentence. The children had to learn the entire song by heart. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Amit. The more you learn, the more you earn. So I would like to call Siddharth Dhangar to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Thank you, Siddharth. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Achal Kadam from standard 5th. So let us all wish her with happy birthday song.